whistle baby, let me know. Boy, I'm gonna show you how to do it, and we start real slow. You just put your lips together and you come real close. Can you kiss my whistle baby, whistle baby? Here we go. I'm betting you love creep mode. And I'm betting you like girls that give love to girls and stroke your little ego. I bet I'm guilty, you are not, but that's how we live in Nigeria. When the hell I play a role better, there's only one foot and one rider. I'm in damn shame, all the more champagne. Pull it down Hellstream, tryna put it on ya. Bet you let's spin the wrong corner. Slow it down, baby, take a little longer. Kiss my whistle baby, let me know. Boy, I'm gonna show you how to do it, and we start real slow. You just put your lips together and you come real close. Can you kiss my whistle baby, whistle baby? Here we go. It's like everywhere I go, my wrist ready to go. Show me don't even know you can't get any by the law. Permission not approved, it's okay, it's under control. Show me a soprano, cause boy you can handle. Baby we start snagging, you come and back close. Boy I'm missing with, but we got it the same role. Show me you're perfect, but you got it, my banjo. Found it with you, looks like you blew a candle. So music, now you can make it music with the music. You ain't got no issue, you can do it.